It may be hard for you to believe, but it's true. And the latest study has validated it even more. According to the study findings, there is one beloved thing in your daily consumption, especially on weekends, which can potentially destroy all the health benefits of your diet. Be it the super consistent Mediterranean diet or the hot popular keto diet. This one thing can entirely ruin your diet, causing a lot of damage to both your physical and emotional health. Plus, this one thing pushes you totally away from your weight loss goals. Rather, it acts in making you gain even more weight, further pushing your health onto a downward spiral. But you don't need to worry now. In this video, we will tell you what exactly is that beloved yet super harmful thing, telling you the remedy to it, and how can you avoid all the associated pitfalls, keeping your vital health intact, and achieving your fitness goals without any glitch. So, you would not risk skipping this video. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. So friends, firstly to name that culprit. Alcohol it is. But before discussing the remedy, let's know a bit why exactly alcohol acts so bad to us. Well, despite being a culturally ingrained part of many societies, alcohol is a silent sabotager of health and fitness goals. Numerous studies point to it as one of the key culprits that can undermine the health benefits of even the most nutritious diets, including the Mediterranean diet and the keto diet. Alcohol is equally destructive to all healthy diets. And here, we need to understand one important thing. Why is alcohol so bad, especially for fat loss? Well, alcoholic beverages tend to come loaded with empty calories. These are calories that offer little or no nutritional value to your health. Do you know, an average 12-ounce beer carries approximately 155 calories, while a 5-ounce glass of red wine packs around 125 calories. Now, if you compare this to a healthy diet snack, a snack which typically contains 150 to 200 calories, it becomes clear that the calorie content of alcohol is huge. And it just nulls off the calorie deficit created as a result of a healthy diet. Now, before moving on to something even more critical, let's here understand the impact of alcohol on the overall metabolism process. Well, beyond its high calorie content, alcohol also severely interferes with how your body burns energy. When consumed, alcohol is the first fuel your body burns before it uses anything else, such as glucose from carbohydrates or the lipids from fats. With alcohol as the primary energy source, the excess glucose and lipids are sadly converted into adipose tissue or fat. This causes you to have a fatty liver, resulting in harmful liver-related diseases. Here, it is how it happens. Liver, a vital organ, is tasked with the critical role of filtering foreign substances that enter your body, including alcohol. Overconsumption of alcohol can lead to alcoholic fatty liver disease, greatly damaging your liver and affecting how your body metabolizes and stores carbohydrates and fats. This disruption can seriously complicate your weight loss efforts and may result in even making you gain more weight. Now, let's see a bit beyond the calories. Alcohol consumption makes your belly look like a big airbag. Well, there is truth in the phrase, beer belly. Alcohol can contribute to excessive belly fat, because alcoholic drinks, like candy and soda, are high in simple sugars and therefore high in calories. These additional calories end up as stored fat, which is often accumulated in the abdominal area. And it results in making you look a heavily pregnant lady, which might not be the case at all. The downsides of alcohol are never-ending. From hormonal imbalance among testosterone, causing damage even to the reproductive health, or the disruption in sleep cycle and damage to digestive health. It is really important to take the right decision regarding your health. And this is the point where you need to stick to the basics of your healthy diet. This diet could be keto, or the long-lasting and reliable Mediterranean diet. Now, what role the diet would play in this scenario? Let's have a look. Renowned for its heart-healthy benefits, rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins, the Mediterranean diet is a powerhouse of nutrition. Studies consistently show its benefits for weight loss and overall health. However, excessive alcohol, especially beverages not typical of the Mediterranean diet, can thwart all these health benefits. So, what to do in all this? Well, to truly harness the benefits of a healthy diet, like the Mediterranean diet, and to fully support your weight loss journey, it's prudent to limit alcohol consumption. Yes, you need to limit the alcohol consumption, big time. This doesn't mean you need to abstain entirely. But moderation is the key. Remember, your health journey is a holistic one. Balancing a Mediterranean diet with responsible alcohol consumption, or even totally omitting the alcohol intake, it can surely pave the way for a healthier, fitter you, making you enjoy all the colors of life at any age. Shape Squad will be bringing you more on great useful health and diet tips. Subscribe now to Shape Squad and do not miss any of the vital knowledge we share. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends too. We'll be back soon with another amazing health and fitness video.